Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into Docusaurus documentation site, beginner guide step by step clearly. To begin, open your web browser. In the address bar, type the URL of the Docusaurus documentation site. Press the enter key to navigate to the site. Once the site loads, look for the login button. This button is typically located in the upper right corner of the home page. Click on the login button to proceed. You will be directed to the login page. Here, you will see fields for your credentials. Enter your username or email address in the first field. Next, type your password in the second field. Make sure to check for any typing errors. If you have forgotten your password, look for the Forgot Password link. Click on this link if needed, and follow the prompts to reset your password. Once you have entered your credentials, click on the Submit or Login button. After a moment, you should be redirected to your account dashboard. If you encounter any errors, double-check your credentials. If the problem persists, consider reaching out to support for assistance. Congratulations, you are now logged into the Docusaurus documentation site. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.